In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete a recurring invoice in FreshBooks. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, keeping your finances organized is crucial. FreshBooks is a great tool for managing your billing and accounting needs, but there might be times when you need to cancel a recurring invoice. So, let's go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to log into your FreshBooks account and head over to the main menu. This is your command center where you'll find all the options related to your financial operations. From here, navigate to the Invoices section. Once you're in the Invoices area, you'll see various tabs and options. Your focus should be on finding the Recurring Templates sub-tab, which is specifically for managing any recurring invoices you have set up. Clicking on the Recurring Templates sub-tab will bring up a list of all the templates you've created for recurring invoices. This is where FreshBooks makes it easy to manage and keep track of all your automatic invoices. Browse through the list and identify the recurring template you wish to end. Once you've found the correct template, you'll want to select it by clicking Edit. This action opens up the detailed view of the recurring invoice, providing options and information about its schedule and the payment processes associated with it. Now, you'll be looking at the core details of how that specific invoice is set to repeat. In the Recurring Schedule or Payment Options section, locate the option to end or stop the recurring invoice. Depending on your setup, this could involve clearing the frequency and the number of payments. You might also see options related to payment methods, such as saved card details. If these details are no longer needed, you can remove them at this stage to prevent future automatic charges. Once you've made the necessary changes, FreshBooks will want to make sure you're certain about stopping the recurrence. Confirm your choice to stop the recurring invoice. This typically involves a straightforward click to save your changes. Just like that, the recurring invoice will be canceled. To wrap things up, double-check your list of recurring templates to ensure that the invoice you wanted to end is no longer active. This final step is a good habit to develop for managing your finances efficiently. And there you have it. Removing a recurring invoice in FreshBooks is really that simple. By following these steps, you can easily ensure that your recurring payments align perfectly with your current needs and cash flow. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your business using FreshBooks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.